Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today is May 27th, 2025. It is 7:35 p.m. Mountain Time, and today I am going to be placing a piece over this trim that I'm pointing to right here. I don't know if that's brushed metal. I don't think that's chrome like what's around the gear shifter. All I know is I don't like it, and if I can find a piece to cover up that chrome, I will probably do that as well. Okay, so I do want to show you guys really quick. Up here where I'm pointing to the right, I have already placed a matte finish piece on that. And even though these pieces are coming from different sellers, they seem to be the same brand. So I'm hoping that they match up today. Okay, so what you need is a paper towel. As you can see, mine is already wet. And I'm using, I don't think you guys are going to be able to see it because I'm recording with flash, which I normally don't do, but I'm using 91% alcohol. And the first thing that you want to do is to clean off the edge. I'm going to try to turn, you guys can see the piece sitting over there on my passenger seat, and try to get as far away as I can so that my arm is not all in your face here. I'm just going to wipe around here just to show you guys a little bit of what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to clean that area, and a microfiber cloth might be better because then the alcohol doesn't absorb in as much. And I've actually already cleaned the left side off. So now I want to show you guys the piece here. Oh, and this is not a paid promotion. Everything was paid for. I'll have all of the information in my description box, but you just peel off the red pieces of paper and then you stick it on. Okay, so since I'm recording by myself today, I won't be able to peel the paper off and place it on there with just one hand. So I am going to peel the paper off, and then I'm going to come back to show you guys what the tape looks like before I stick it on top. Okay, so I know this looks kind of awkward, but when you peel the piece of the paper off, they just kind of coil themselves up. And I used tweezers. It's not necessary, it just makes it easier. And then down here, I don't know if you guys can see that. There we go. Okay, so this piece here is the tape there, and then over here, it's a little easier to see. Okay, so I'm going to attempt to flip this over and put this on. And then let me see if I can get a little further away there. I'm just going to push around, and I might have to rotate my phone a little bit, but you just want to push down, make sure you have a good fit. And I know I always apologize if my hand or arm is in your way. Let me see if I can switch. My left hand might be a little bit too close, but maybe not. Let's see here. There we go. Okay. I want to push too hard here. And there you go. It just goes right on. And if you're wondering what you clean these pieces with, Jaguar's has a product that is called something like High Shine or something like that. And it's for, I believe, rubber, vinyl, and plastic. So you can literally just spray that and clean it. And then I'm not quite sure, this paper towel is still wet, but I want to show you. Hopefully I can show you a little bit because I know I left a little bit of fingerprints. You can take it and wipe it with alcohol as well. Now, I don't know how many times you can do that. If at some point that will ruin this ABS plastic, I'm not sure. But I did want to show you that if it came down to it and all you had was alcohol, you could actually wipe it and then it will just take your fingerprint smudges away. Let me see. I'm trying to get further away so I can show you guys. I think I left some smudges over here. But there you go. It's very easy to clean. Trying to get different angles for you guys there. But that's it. It literally only takes a matter of seconds. I'm a little disappointed because I actually ordered the pieces to go on the bottom of the steering wheel. I am trying to do, I don't know if you want to call it a chrome delete or a brush metal delete. Like I said, I have no clue what that is. That's around most of the trim. But I actually bought this piece to go on the bottom of my steering wheel and it doesn't fit. So I was going to put that on next and show you guys that, but now I can't because now I have to go in here and contact the seller and tell them it did not fit my car, and I'm not quite sure what's going to happen because I ordered that piece off of eBay. But this piece here came off of Amazon, and so like I said, all of the information will be in the description box below. You guys have a great day. I will see you guys later. Bye.